Hello children, good afternoon. Welcome to your EVS class. Today's date is 18/2/2021, 18th February 2021 and day is Thursday. We are dealing with chapter 20 from EVS. The name of the chapter is, chapter 21 from EVS. The name of the chapter is Means of Transport. Chapter 21 from EVS. The name of the chapter is Means of Transport. Today's password is land transport. So in yesterday's class we have discussed what is the meaning of transport. What is the meaning of transport, children? What is the meaning of this means of transport? MENS, means of TRANSPORT. What is the meaning of means of transport? The meaning of means of transport is the meaning of means is ways. Okay, ways. And transport is carrying people from one place to another place. Carrying people from, carrying, CARRYING, carrying people or things. Okay, you can call them as goods. Carrying people or things from one place to another place by vehicles. 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 So means of transport. This meaning of means is different ways. Transport is carrying people or things from one place to another place by means of vehicles. So means of transport is different ways by which people or goods can be transported from one place to another place. So in yesterday's class we discussed that there are three types of transport. What are the three types of transport? Number one is land transport. Land transport. Number two is air transport. And number three is water transport. WATER, water. TRANSPORT, transport. Land transport, air transport and water transport. So today's password is land transport. So what is land transport, children? Land transport is using vehicles. What is transport? Transport is carrying goods or people from one place to another place by vehicles. So land transport is vehicles which run on land. Vehicles which move on land. I can call them vehicles which move on land. Vehicles which move on land. Okay, so what are the different vehicles which move on land? We even discussed about the vehicles which move in cities as well as vehicles which we usually see in villages. So what are the different vehicles that move on land in cities? Tell me list of vehicles. We see buses, cars, scooters, motorcycles, etc. Okay, so what are the different vehicles that we find in villages? What are the different vehicles that we find in villages? Bullock cart, number two, tonga, number three, tractor, and number four, bicycle. Okay, so these are these vehicles, buses, cars, scooters, motorcycle. These vehicles we find in cities, and vehicles like bullock cart, tonga and tractor, bicycle we find in villages. So land transport, meaning of land transport is the vehicles which move on land and carry people and things from one place to another place. So what are the vehicles which move on land? Vehicles which move on land are buses, cars, scooters and motorcycles. which move in villages are bullock cart, tonga, tractor, and bicycle. And apart from this, we even learnt about trains. Okay, trains also move on land, but they move on railway track. Trains move on land, but they need railway track. Trains also transport people and goods from one place to another place. So what is common for all these things? Wheels. Okay, wheel is common for all these things. All these vehicles are running. They are moving on the road with the help of wheels. 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 So today let us see about air transport. Next is air transport. Let's see air transport. Air transport. A-I-R, air, T-R-A-N-S-P-O-R-T. Air transport. What is air transport? Transport is vehicle. A vehicle which moves things or people from one place to another place. So what is air transport? Air transport is a vehicle which travels in air. Vehicle which travels in air. Vehicles, V-E-H-I-C-L, vehicles which travel in air. Okay, and carry people or goods. Goods are nothing but things from one place to another. One place to another place. Okay. So vehicles which travel in air and carry people or goods from one place to another place. So tell me the vehicles which travel in air. Yes, aeroplane. Number one is aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane. And number two is helicopter. H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R. H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R. Helicopter. So aeroplane and helicopter, these two are two vehicles which travel in air and they carry people and goods from one place to another place. Usually aeroplane and people opt for aeroplane and helicopter if they have to travel very long distances in short time. If people have to travel very long distances in short time, then they opt for aeroplane and helicopter. Or if they have to send goods or things very far to longer distances in short time, then they send goods through aeroplane and helicopters. Next, means of water transport. Air transport is over. Let's see water transport. So this is aeroplane, children. Look here. This is aeroplane and this is helicopter. Next, water transport. Water transport. Number 3. Water, T-R-A-N-S-P-O-R-T. Water transport. What is water transport? Vehicles that move on water. Vehicles that move on water from one place to another place and carry people and goods. Okay. Vehicles which move on water and carry people or goods from one place to another place. Okay, from one place to another place. So water transport is vehicles which move on water and carry people or goods from one place to another place. Now, tell me what are the examples of water transport? Tell me vehicles which move on water. Tell me, for example, boat. B-O-A-T, boat. Number 2, ship. S-H-I-P, ship. So boat and ship are two vehicles which move on water and carry people and also goods from one place to another place. Look here. This is boat. This is boat. And this is ship. This is boat and this is ship. Boat and ship are examples of water transport. So with this children, with this topic, water transport, we have completed the chapter means of transport. So finally, means of transport is nothing but different ways by which people and goods can be transported from one place to another place. So what are the different ways? Different ways are means of transport are, number 1 is land transport, number 2 is air transport, and number 3 is water transport. What is land transport? Vehicles which run on land and carry goods and people from one place to another place is nothing but land transport. Examples of land transport are cars, buses, scooters which we find in cities, and bullock carts, tongas, and tractors, bicycle we find in villages. And important land, one of the important land transport is train. Train carry people from one place to another place, and if you have to travel long distances, you travel by train. And train runs on railway track. Train runs on railway track which is laid on the ground, okay, or on the land. Air transport. Air transport is vehicles which move in air and carry goods and people from one place to another place. Example, helicopter, aeroplane. Water transport. Water transport is vehicles which move on water and carry people from one place to another place. Example, boat and ship. That's all, children. So in next class, let's do the practice exercises. That's all for today, children. Happy learning. Take care. Bye-bye.